Welcome! Are you ready to order? Yes, we are very hungry.
Let's choose something simple today.
I want the biggest meal.
This menu has so many options.
What do you all want to eat?
I don't understand anything here.
I want everything! Please tell me your order. I will have rice and chicken.
I want a fresh salad.
I want pizza. I want pizza and fries.
I want pizza and fries.
I want flying noodles.
Flying noodles?
That is not on the menu.
I want that too! Your order.
This looks different from what we ordered.
Maybe it is a special version.
I am not sure about this.
Now this is your correct order.
This looks perfect. So much food.
Finally, peace.
This tastes amazing.
It is actually very good.
I think I got someone else's meal.
I approve this food.
Good food makes everything better.
Yes, and we are together.
This is my favorite meal.
Thank you for visiting us.
We really enjoyed the meal. Good food and good company make the best day.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and follow for more content. Your support helps us create more informative and engaging videos, and stay connected for future updates.